Welcome to Session 3 of Guilt-Free Gardening at Walnut Grove Farm. The Three Sisters Garden is presented by Rich and I with some of our family and good friend Gabe. Indigenous agriculture sows peace and understanding during these difficult times. Welcome.
What we're doing today is planting two of the Three Sisters. We have planted in the past a few of the second sister, and the corn, which is the first sister in the Three Sisters garden, was planted quite a while ago. The Three Sisters is a Native American concept of planting, and they chose to have this special relationship with their plants that they work together. The corn provides the trellis, or the stems is what the beans grow on. The beans provide nutrients. They are nitrogen fixing plants. And then the squash, which are planted in this row to the side of the corn and beans, is the ground cover, which keeps the soil cool and moist and supposedly helps you keep the weeds away. So conceptually, we kind of adapted our own design from the Hidatsa and the Wampanoag tribes. And so we're happy to try this. This is my second year at this, but we're still learning, of course, every year. And remember, gardening is guilt-free. Now, Stephanie is here with us. We're so excited to have family here helping. And Ellie and she are helping with the second sister, or the pole beans. And they are Blue Lake pole beans. Native Americans, I'm sure, had different varieties than that. It's just one of my favorite green beans. And we also planted scarlet runner beans here, and you can plant any kind of pole bean which grows up on a trellis to do this that you like. For Three Sisters, and you can spread them out like 1, 2, 3 for put your beans in, and then you mark them, and we'll cover them and then give them a little bit of water so they get started. Good job. And this is granddaughter Ellie, who has wanted to plant the Three Sisters garden for a long time, and she's come all the way from Northbrook to do that. Yep, you can make them evenly distributed. That is just perfect. And the other thing that we should probably tell people is that we've got a few little weeds here that we're going to have to get taken care of, aren't we? So where it's a little bit green and it's not a bean, we'll take those little weeds out. So you can put 3 seeds there. And it, whoops. That's right, I'm going to hoe out that weed. That's very good observation, Ellie. Thank you. I almost got your hand. Sorry. We have to get out the weeds, don't we? Make sure you get them covered with dirt, Sweet Pea, and then step on them. Good job, Belle. This is the mounding of the dirt for the hills for the Three Sisters garden. We're going to plant the third sister, which is a variety of squash. I think the native squashes that would have been planted earlier on are definitely a different variety. Arikara squash is one that comes to mind. But again, we're planting a vine crop that will cover the soil, cool the soil, and help contain the weeds. That's the idea for the Three Sisters companionship kind of gardening. So this is one of our hills, and we'll find the squash and plant that in these that are offset with the Three Sisters
corn, which is sister one, and the beans that are growing around the sides, going up as on the corn as a trellis. And by offset, here is the corn, and the squash will be in between off to the next row. We're going to see how many squash seeds we have here. Summer squash medley. And we'll put in 3 seeds in the center. One, space them kind of like that. And I'll let you do the next one. Do you see how that is? Now you take your finger and just poke it down in, because our soil is soft. Get it kind of deep, almost your finger deep, because we don't want them to come out if it rains hard. There you go. Perfect. I think the other one was right in there somewhere. Now you can put your sticker right in the middle of the 2, so we'll of those 3 seeds, and then we'll know where they are. Okay, on to the next.
We are doing the third sister, which are the hills of the vine crops, the low growing cover of the soil crops. And Stephanie is planting Sarah's Best Cantaloupe. And again, those were not necessarily Native American varieties, but kind of one that we think we would enjoy. So that's what we're doing, is what we enjoy. So that was the first hill. Stephanie's going to the second hill and the third hill to do the Hale's Best. The other variety is Sarah's Choice, and these are hybrids, which would not be normal for Native Americans to utilize. But the concept is theirs, how we use it is ours.